Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with another video tutorial, and today it is time for another paper perk. We are at paper perk number 17, and I have some really fun Christmas banners for you that you can make or use them as tags or gift tags or bottle wine tags or whatever you want. So we have this one here, which is really pretty, has all kinds of Christmassy images. And we also have this one. I accidentally printed it on a landscape, but yours is going to be on a portrait. This is for the Ko-fi supporters. So the Ko-fi supporters, you can be a Ko-fi supporter just by clicking the link to the Ko-fi, to my Ko-fi in the description under the video. Go ahead, scroll down, and you'll see Ko-fi, and then you can go ahead and get this. Is only for Ko-fi supporters, so go ahead, become a supporter, and get some extra printables that I'm going to show you what to do with those. It's going to be really fun, and I'm going to cut everything and be back. I cut all my pieces. I have the different sizes here, and I want to show you what you can do with them. So for the large one, you can simply attach, apply glue here and attach it to the banner or to a ribbon to create a banner. I like to leave a little bit of a margin. And the good thing about it is that you can add more embellishments in between. You can cut these as many times as you want and make it as long as you want, and then hang it anywhere that you want. You can tie a ribbon, whatever you want. Let's cut the So this is one idea. Second idea is to have it tied into a smaller ribbon. And then add little ribbons in between. I'm going to show you. And again, you can mix and match the sizes of the banners. You can have these ones with the larger ones. You can make very long banners. So I've made some smaller ribbons. You can just stick them here, make it even more festive. And then you have another one, which is really cute. And the smaller ones, of course, you can hang them on a ribbon also, but you can also decide that you want just to add them to your junk journal. If you have, maybe you have a Christmas junk journal that you can add embellishments to. I'm just gluing them in a sort of a movement, creating a like a uneven line or unstraight line, so that it will look like they're hanging. So that will be perfect also to embellish cards, embellish scrapbook pages, not just junk journal, embellish anything that you want. So really hope you like these ideas and this printable. Okay, so after attaching our purity banner in our junk journal, I want to show you, if you are a Ko-fi supporter, what you are getting. Other than the extra printable page, you also get an exclusive video to learn how to do this. A really cute pop-up for any card, mini album page, junk journal, and so on. So pop on over to the Ko-fi website and click on that, become a supporter. You can be a monthly supporter, you can be a one-time supporter, and then you'll get the Paper Perk number 17 supporter extra. So this is you get an extra page of printables and this video on how to do this. So go ahead and become a supporter. It makes a really big difference, and I really appreciate all your support. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you like this video and this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.